Hello mga ka-wonder and welcome to Lielio Park!
Okay, yeah. View, okay. In China.
Ano yung sabi rin ng branding yun? Yung idolize sa...
Okay, here. Home free. Don't need to be here. And the restroom, there's one. Visitor center, there's enough.
At least I am leading you to the right path.
Hello mga ka-wonder, good morning! And we are here at Lielio Park. Dito lang yan, sa may Taiwan. Hello! So revisiting lang tayo dito. Kasi nakapunta na tayo with friends noong 2019. So ganun pa rin naman dito. Medyo gloomy ang weather. Hello!